rise. Tomorrow, the Texas Supreme Court will hear a case that challenges the state's abortion restrictions.
20 women are suing the state of Texas, saying a near total ban on abortions put their lives at risk when they experienced pregnancy complications. 2 doctors are also suing. KVUE's Ford Sanders spoke with a former district court judge and an attorney on this case about what to expect tomorrow. Ford?
Quita, Brian, this hearing tomorrow comes after Attorney General Ken Paxton put in an appeal when State District Court Judge Jessica Mangrum of Austin granted exemptions to this abortion ban. 20 women and 2 physicians, all outlining what could be deadly experiences if it meant delivering a baby in Texas with their complications at hand. Like Kimberly Manzano, who had to flee to New Mexico for an abortion, saying in part, quote, "It became clear that my health was in jeopardy and my baby had no chance of survival. I had previously considered myself anti-abortion, but through this, my opinion has changed."
We've seen and have heard about women who have been denied abortions in medical emergencies going back to September 2021. So, we filed the case in March, but the story really goes back to September 21.
Nick Cabot is an attorney on this case with the Center for Reproductive Rights, the group representing the now 20 women and 2 OBGYNs who have joined in suing the state of Texas.
These are only a slice of the cases that are occurring in Texas where women are being denied abortions in medical emergencies.
SB 8, which was passed by the Texas legislature, outlines once cardiac activity is detected in an embryo, an abortion is not permitted in Texas. Cabot says his patients have their own horror stories to share.
They were told they would either have to fly out of state or wait until they were on their deathbed with a septic infection or other serious infection.
Former Travis County District Court Judge Charlie Baird says the Supreme Court will now decide if the injunction ruling on these bans is constitutional or not. A lawsuit that has grown to now 20 women is something Baird says could play a pivotal role in the Supreme Court hearing.
By broadening the number from 1 to 20 and also including medical care providers and doctors, it shows them that it is a very urgent need, they feel, to have this statute unenforceable while this case is pending.
He says when it comes to the issue of State District Court Judge Jessica Mangrum granting exemptions to the ban, he believes this was valid.
The decision made by the Travis County judge, I think, was sound because what you're talking about is a very, very fundamental right, I think, between not just a woman, but anybody seeking medical care.
Again, as a reminder, tomorrow's hearing will only decide whether or not this injunction can stand as the case continues to make its way through the Travis County courts. Now, if the Supreme Court rules in favor of AG Paxton's appeal, these bans will remain in place, severely limiting abortions and access here in Texas. In the studio, Ford Sanders, KVUE News.